Alright guys, does this landscape work out for you? I have to stand back a bit, but you can still see me. This gives you any clue to what I'm doing today. I'll be eating that teaspoon of coffee. So we're gonna, well, let's move it upside down. Yep, see that much? That's real coffee. Smells like coffee. 3, 2, 1. Oh God! I need to watch that. Down. That. I will never do that again. Never. That's it. I'm out. Winner of the contest will be announced on Wednesday. The one I did the beginning of the last video, I'll just do comment your Gmail down below. I'll pick out a Gmail address at random and email you if you've won. The winner will be announced on Wednesday's video. Still got taste of coffee in me gob. Alright, BX start out, bye.